Hi, this is Tony, and for those who don't know that I forgot to explain, but I live in Chicago, and we had a blizzard a day ago. This is the aftermath, and it's not a pretty sight. As you can see, this is all the snow that we had. Now, remind you guys, this is approximately 17 inches, and that's a lot. As you can see, from where I'm standing, it's a lot. I mean, look at this, and yeah, right now this temperature is at least we're gonna drop by negative 36, which is pretty freezing right now, but it's not there yet. I think it's like I think it's 0, but I'm not 100% sure. So to give a little tour, I mean, this is really nothing yet, but yeah, we can't even like shovel this because I live right next door. As you can see, we don't want like battle out here, in and out, in and out. So, all right. Oh, this is one quite a huge mess. Yeah, it is pretty big. Wait till you hit the alley. It's a different story. You see this? Yeah. Now this is the alley itself. I mean, look how big it is. I mean, nobody, for whatever can tell, that nobody hasn't even gone out yet. I mean, probably towards the end of it, yeah, but it's really hard to get out. My dad couldn't even get out in this garage. He actually had to take the CTA. For those who don't know, it's a transit bus. And yeah, see how deep it is. And you think of like a trench for World War I, but yeah, I mean I've never seen this for a long time. We haven't had snow like this since 1999. I mean, it's not as bad as 1999, but it's pretty close. So yeah, this is my video diary of February 2, 2011. So, yeah.